Hey, it's Mark Nolan in the DEI garage here again, and when it comes to installing all these great DEI products, of course you got to have your tools to do that, and the adhesive transfer tape, it's just one of the best. Very aggressive, pressure sensitive adhesive. It's a double-sided tape, bonding DEI's heat and sound barrier materials really without the need for a spray adhesive kind of a thing. It's a clean option for installing materials, and you do it without the mess, right? Accurate placement of the adhesive allows for a clean and professional install. It's really aggressive. High tack adhesive that goes along with it. It's double-sided again, high strength, long-term bond. And it's got this Scrim reinforcement that's built in. And the temperature resistance, it's great as well. From -22 all the way to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. High water and condensation resistance as well. High aging resistance. This stuff's going to be around for a while. It measures 3 inches wide and it's 32 feet in length. You cut it to whatever you need. Comes in single or double roll packs. You need this. Adhesive transfer tape. You can get it at designengineering.com.